Well, bye. Welcome to another episode of Chris's thoughts and feelings expressed in the emotional art of visually cutting hair. Only Reagan. 90 degrees from the head. Take away from the bulb and encourage it to sit flat to the head. Point cut length for a smoother line. More point cutting for a smooth drop. Try the back to show off the finished shape and refine and better detail. Point cut, small incisions to ensure a straight line, but with movement and softness. Point cut into the length to remove the bulk and heaviness and to encourage it to fall into place. Work this around the head. Small sections at the side. Take the sections at the same angle that you want the bulb to drop in. Follow that onto the next pattern and use the guideline and repeat it on the other side. Small incisions for movement, no tension, to avoid a blunt heavy haircut. Blow dry out bad boy. Lift the layers up and channel cut from short to long. Free out weight by point cutting. Point cut the fuck out of them ends. Like she's your last client and she's running late. Refine them edges and look for any fuck ups. Slice down them edges for some hidden layers. Spray and pray. Like and subscribe to our YouTube for more. Peace!